Welcome everyone. Every Wednesday we try to learn a little bit from the holy Rebbe Elimelech from Leviathan. So this week's Parshas Vayishlach, and Parshas Vayishlach we read Kataim Timikol Chasadim and Kol Emes. Jacob says, I've been made small from all of the kindness and all the truth that God has rendered unto me. It's written, I believe in the Psalms, I could be wrong, that one who gives unto his soul is a man of kindness and piety. That means that the saint who worships the Lord with faith is giving a gift to his soul. Truth is the level, the archetype of Jacob. As it says in the book of Micah, give truth unto Jacob. And Jacob said, I've been made small from all the kindness and all the truth. Means I've been made smaller and I've fallen down from this level that I was a man of truth and kindness and piety and saintliness. And now I've fallen and I'm losing from this spiritual level because I passed with my staff. This that I've been smaller in my levels of spirituality is because I was lenient. Makel is related to Mekel, to be lenient. Be'ezadavar in something. Varti is a Yarden. I passed over the Jordan. Even though I've fallen, I passed over this level, that I was able to sweeten the judgments. Zariyam is Yarden, Yoredin. Jordan is a hint to the idea of going down in judgment. Yoredin. Now I've passed and switched over from this attribute, from this level, from this archetype, and I'm not able to sweeten the judgments. This is what it says, I believe, in the book of Job, that it says, do you trust that you're able to stop up the Jordan with your mouth concerning the Leviathan? The Leviathan represents the archetype of the perfect saint who is attached and given over to the blessed Lord, may be blessed. That's if Nilva means he's like attached. That's Leviathan, the Leviathan. Vizel is similar to the name Levi. Vizel Yivtach. That's what it means, that he'll trust. That a saint like this is certain he can trust. Kediach Yarden, that he can reach to the Jordan. That he can go down to bring down the strict judgment. So Piyu through his mouth, means with his holy mouth, with his prayers and blessings and supplications and study and devotions. It's easy to understand. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and we'll see you later.